Hey guys, Mollie with Design Loves Detail here, and today I'm going to share my Target holiday favorites, so stay tuned. So first up are some stockings that are so cute, and these ones I believe are new this year. They have sometimes I'll bring stuff back like a couple years in a row, but these embroidered ones I don't think I'd ever seen until this year, and they're so pretty. They remind me of Anthropologie, like just the detail in them, and they're a great price, and they mix really well with the other ones I have because I have kind of a knit texture and then also like a fur, a faux fur that's cream, and so this was just a nice way to break it up and still have some really pretty high-end looking detail at Target price. So definitely love those. This pillow is so cute. It's kind of like a greenish gray color, and I love that it is a little different than a lot of my pillows because I tend to buy a lot of stripes and plaids, as you'll see, and even solids, its own kind of pattern, which is really kind of how this is. It's got a little bit of a grid pattern, but then it has like kind of these like stitched details in it. It's perfect for mixing in with those other prints and solids. And then it has the cute fringe, great price, and I felt like this worked really well. I had this one on my sofa, if you guys remember seeing that, just mixed with that one with the big buttons. So it looked really cute there, and I feel like it's also great for like a chair. If you guys have a couple of armchairs and you want a little bit of something to bring some color but subtle, this is a great option. All right, and a holiday staple, this set of candle holders. There's actually three. Let's see if I could set these here for a second. Here's the other. I just have two on my mantle, but it's nice depending on the size of your space or what you're using them for, that there are three heights, and the price is great. These taper candles are also from Target. I just got the white ones, and these to me just have a really high-end look. They kind of are an antique brass, which is great because it feels higher end to me than some of the brass, and it's like they're actually a pretty decent weight. Like they're more of almost like a cast iron type feel with that finish that looks more authentic. So I really think that these are a great option if you're looking for candle holders. They have the classic feel and then also are substantial and modern, a little bit modern too. And this wreath with the bells. I gotta hold them still because they're so loud. It is of course Target too, and it's in stock last I looked. And just, I love the feel of these pine needles, like it feels really authentic, and those cute white berries mixed in. Just for sure one of my favorites, and you can see by the reviews like everybody loves this one. Just a real classic holiday feel. It looked so cute up on my shelf. I still need to put one on the front door. I actually ordered 3 of these because I knew I would want to mix them in a couple different places. So definitely a great size for the price as well. And just really cute detail. So this next piece isn't technically like a holiday piece, but I think that the green tones in it are so pretty. Kind of brings in a little bit of that traveled type feel because it's like a textile. And so I love adding something like this into my holiday decor. Like I was telling you, I don't want it all to be snowmen and snowflakes. This kind of has somehow that kind of warmth and feel of like traditional, you know, maybe because it's kind of like a tapestry, that sort of feeling. Love this with some of these other more holiday details. This cute coffee table bowl that I put the ornaments in with the matte black, it looks like it's handcrafted, and that kind of more, it reminds me of the clay, like the water pots that are really hot right now. This has, you know, such a good finish. I share this one in my Instagram stories, so some of you may have seen it there, but it's just such a nice little addition for year round, and just you could kind of change out seasonally what you fill it with. These are just really simple white ornaments. These were not from Target. And this is another one. This vase, not a holiday item, but of course what you put in it makes it feel holiday. I love the fluted detail on it. It's just like a nice neutral kind of cream tone and has all that texture. So it's like perfect to pair, I feel like, with these kind of frosty holiday greens. And with holiday greenery, I need to see what Target actually has this year. These ones I grabbed at Michael's, but I love to mix it up, bring in a few different stems, almost like it's an organic arrangement, just so that, you know, it's interesting and feels authentic kind of thing. Is perfect for a really minimal, clean vase like this. Target also has really cute sweaters. I've got one of my fave cardigans with pockets. Got pockets. I did over on Instagram recently share a whole bunch of my favorite Target sweaters. They have some really good things there, so I will link the outfit also from Target, and you can check out Instagram for even more kind of like holiday outfit ideas, because I do periodically style myself. Usually it's the house, but sometimes I get myself styled up too. So Target's where it's at. We know that. They've got some great deals, some really fun holiday stuff this year. In fact, some of it has even been like out of stock. There's those little houses from Studio McGee that I'm obsessed with, the Threshold Studio McGee collection. Dang, they're cute. They're always sold out. I'll put them here in the hopes that somehow they have restocked. But anyway, some really great pieces this year at Target. Also, if you guys are ever looking for something specific, if you head over to my Instagram page, in those little bubbles, the little highlight bubbles across the page, there's ones for Target, there's ones for holiday. If you go to holiday tour, in case you just like are looking for something I've shared, you can't find it. Most of the time it's saved in those bubbles. So you can go to Target and see all my Target finds. You can go to Walmart, see the Walmart finds, or go into that holiday tour and see everything that I've used this year. Thank you guys for watching. Happy to have you here as always. We'd love to have you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. In case you missed last week's full holiday tour, go check it out. That was the most recent video. And then I also have another haul, which is for Walmart holiday finds coming next time. So don't miss that either. Some fun holiday content, gift ideas coming as well. Don't miss it. Subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.